We're back at an undisclosed location in Connecticut working on the Audi. Today, the goal is to get her filled up with water like we tried to do last week, see if we could get her running under her own power, and then move her into a position where she's facing the garage, and it'll make life a little easier to work on it. Ethan, even jumping cars is cool. Olmsted working away. Say hi to the fans.
Toiling away.
Yeah.
On the coolant lines.
Here she is in all her glory. This right here says it all. Quattro, upside down. As you can see, there's a bit of an Audi enthusiasm here. This is a 1984 Quattro 4000. We call it the 4K. This started life as an Audi 100 with a normally aspirated or naturally aspirated inline 5. Worked great, never had a problem with it until we hit the wall in New Hampshire, and then everything went wrong after that. We're going to attempt to give this a clean out so we could make it more appropriate for where it's going to go. And where it's going is Cooper Motor Works. Although John, we've sort of kept the Audi under wraps for the most part up to this point. So stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun today because this really says it all right here.
You hear that?
What's that?
No idea, but it did that. It started doing that. It's the fuel pump. Ever since we drained all the gas out, now it makes a sound.
That's the pump or the pressure regulator. It's in gear. That's good. Always check if it's in gear first while it's on a jack stand.
Definitely. Pointed at your pickup truck.
First gear works.
This switch is also going, so it doesn't actually make contact. I think I put too much load through it. Oh, you killed it. It's always a good sign when you got to use the
Go juice.
The Go Juice.
It's just priming it. Just priming it.
Makes mouths happy.
Does this vacuum? Is this a vacuum leak here, or that's just the idle air control valve?
Yeah, that was like an elbow.
All right, although it's not completely running and driving right now, we got a bunch of stuff done. Got the laptop out right now. We got all this stuff put back together. Got the alternator on. We're not sure if it's working. New belt. We don't have the power steering pump hooked up because I put the belt on for the alternator first, and the power steering pump goes behind it, of course. We have a small leak at the thermostat switch, the fan radiator switch. And then we also did like a little clean out inside. But that's it for now. Any parting words, Ethan?
We're closer than we were before. So
That's good.
I'm optimistic about that.
Awesome.
Yeah, I think good progress was done. We got belts on the car. It's starting
Belts.
Looks really good.
It looks like a car.
Looks like a car. Yeah.
That wraps up another day here at Ethan's. Hopefully I can get up here another time soon and we can get even more done. That's it for now.
Bring a trailer.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bring a trailer. Like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Keep watching, because it's amazing.